Creating animation has always been a challenging task, but with the help of AI, now you can easily animate anything. You can change any video into a completely new character. In this tutorial, I am gonna talk about such an AI animation tool. I'll show you how you can get access for free, how to turn images into animation, and how to replace any character in any video with another character. So, without further ado, let's dive in. This is David and you are watching AI Lockup. Before getting started, let's look at some examples. As you can see, on the bottom, you have the original footage of Lil Yachty at a concert, and above, you have the Joker. This is exactly what we're gonna be talking about today. And to do it, I will use an AI tool called Viggle AI. To find Viggle AI, open your browser and search for Viggle AI on Google or any other search engine. After getting the search result, enter the first result. This is the Viggle AI homepage. This tool works on Discord. You have to join the Viggle AI Discord server. Click on the join beta from here and then click on accept invite. Now we need to join one of the animate channels from here. You'll see what other people are creating here, and we can even watch their examples if you want to. Let's create some of our own. All you need to do is scroll to the bottom. Then we're gonna go into the message. Here, if you write /, you have many different things that you can do. With the Your Animate option, you can animate a static character with a text motion prompt. With this Our Mix option, you can mix a character image into a motion video. And with the setting, you can select a particular video generator model. So, let's start with animate. After selecting the animate option, we have to upload the character image we want to animate. I am uploading this image. On the bottom, you see the motion prompt. This is where we can describe the motion. And they have a bunch of ideas on this Viggle AI /prompt that makes it a lot easier for you. So you can see they already have all of these really cool motions. Now review the motions and then select one of them. For example, I want to use this motion. Now copy the motion prompt here and come back to the Viggle AI Discord server. Paste the motion prompt on this box. Next, in the background setting, you can select one between white or green or from template, which is more important if you're gonna follow the next step. I am selecting white this time. In the end, set the fine tune option. If you turn on the fine tuner, it will take a little bit more time to generate the video, and the result will be better. First, let's try without fine tune. After all is set, hit the enter button. Oh, there is a problem. You can see, it's showing an unknown application error. To solve this issue, we have to change the Viggle AI generation model. Come to the text box again and type. Now here you will find some Viggle AI generation models. Select the very first one and then select the animate option. Now upload the character image. Enter the motion prompt, set the background and fine-tune value. After all is set, hit the generate button. Now it's working perfectly. That's great. Alright, Viggle AI will take around 2 to 5 minutes to complete the process. In that time you can do your other task. I will fast forward the video. I have waited around 5 minutes but I didn't find the result yet. Actually, we need to find our results. And honestly, it's very different to find the result from this high traffic. But don't worry, there is another method. Come to this search box and select the mention user option from here. Now type Ralph and then me and then hit the enter button. And here it is. We found the result video. Now simply click on it and Viggle AI will navigate us to the result. Our video is ready. Let's have a look. And you can see it makes a perfect motion but the quality of the video is not up to the mark. So, let's try the same character with the same prompt but with the fine tune option. And this is the result. Now it's far better than the previous one. So, always generates video with the fine tune option, although it takes a little bit longer time. Now you may tell that you have shown videos with a different character at the start of the video. Don't worry, I am coming there. To create this kind of video, we have to use the mix feature. After selecting the tool, we have to upload the source video file and the targeted character image. Okay, after uploading the targeted image and video, we have to select the background. This time I will select the green background, because it will help me later. Okay, in the end, turn on the fine tune option and hit the enter button. Now we have to wait some time. And here it is. Our video is ready. And you can see that it keeps the same character from the reference image with movement of the reference video. That's really great. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. If you are enjoying the video and found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, our character video is ready. Now we need to assemble the character motion and original video clips with a video editor. I will use the CapCut video editor. You can use anyone. After importing both the character video and the original video on CapCut, insert the original video clip on timeline 1 and the character video on timeline 2. Now we need to remove the green screen from the character video. Click on the video clip and then come to the settings panel from the right side. Select the background remove option. Select the color of the background with the color picker tool. Adjust the intensity and shadow to remove the green screen. You can use this auto removal option also. It works very well on the human body. Alright, our video is ready. Let's have a preview. That looks great, but there is a little setback. You may notice that the original character is visible behind the newly generated character. So, we need to remove the character from this original video. And we can do it with Runway ML. After logging into your Runway ML account, select the Edit Videos tool from here. There are so many incredible AI features available here. We have to select the Inpaint tool. After selecting the Inpaint tool, upload the source video clip. Once the video clip has been uploaded, insert it into the timeline. Now we have to select the character area with the brush tool. You can adjust the brush to select the area perfectly. After exporting the video, download it on your device. After downloading the inpainted video, insert it into the video editor and replace it with the original video clip. Now let's see the preview. That's perfect. Go. Now it's time to export the video. And our final video is ready. Let's have a look. In this way, you can generate this kind of video and animate characters with Viggle AI. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating animation with Viggle AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!